My YouTube channel has grown, and I thought I'd show you 5 projects that I've done in the past. So here's the 5. Soap bubble project, oil and water, spiral light painting, puzzle drop, and Yorkie in the camera bag. I'll have links below to all these videos in my description, so check them out. I challenge you to look at each one and put a comment on when you go to the link for the video or in the comments down below of which one you like the best. So my second project here is oil and water, and it's just some oil in a cooking pan on a table. It's a glass table, and there's the photo from that photo project. This one is a spiral of a light just hanging from the ceiling with my camera on the floor to get this photo. My next project is a puzzle drop, and I simply got a bunch of puzzle pieces, put a light in it, and started dropping, taking pictures every 5 seconds or so to get a picture like this. And my final project on this list is my Yorkie, so make sure you hit your subscribe and like. Pet photography is fun. We had a blast.